How to change currency on Zengo wallet. Are you guys facing issue to change currency on Zengo wallet? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Zengo app on your mobile device. Once you open the Zengo app, log in into your wallet using the register password. After you get logged in, look at the bottom of your screen where you can see the setting icon. Click on it. After you click on setting icon, you will be forwarded to the section where you can see multiple options. Just simply tap on local currency. After you click on local currency, you can see multiple currencies over here. Select the one according to your preference. For example, if you want to change it to euro, just simply tap on euro and your currency will be changed to euro. That's it guys, that's how you're gonna change your currency on Zengo application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.